Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So here we have a very interesting question for you. The question is pertaining to numbers. So basically addition of numbers. So let's see how we can go about solving the same. Out of the three numbers, the sum of first and the second number is 73. The sum of the second and the third number is 77. The sum of the third and the thrice the first number is 104. Find the sum of all three numbers. Okay, so we have suppose I take three numbers. Okay, suppose I have A, B and C. Okay, so it's given A plus B is equal to 73. Sum of second and third number, so B plus C is 77. Okay, and sum of third and thrice the first number, so 3A plus C is 104. Okay, now let me do something. Suppose I have this equation marked as 1, 2 and 3. So if I do 1 minus 2, if I separate the sames, then we have A minus C equal to minus 4. Okay, because BB gets cancelled out. So therefore let me use A minus C equal to how much? Minus 4. And if I add the same up, 4A equal to 100. So A comes out to be 25. Okay, we have A is 25. So therefore from this 25 minus C equal to minus 4. So therefore C would come out to be 29. Okay, and therefore from 2 or 1, whichever, say I'm using 2, so B will be 77 minus 29, or that would be 48. Okay, B will be equal to 48. Now what is asked, what is the sum of three numbers? So therefore A plus B plus C is asked. Okay, that would be 25 plus 29 plus 48. Okay, that would give us 54 plus 58, 102. Okay, which will be our answer. Okay, another pretty straightforward kind of question. So three unknown numbers, so three equations, three number, we can easily solve the same. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you as well. So in case you have any kind of doubt in this regards, kindly go through the entire question. I don't think you should face any difficulty in this respect. Okay, now having said that, if you are looking for detailed solution of the similar sort of question, please feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards. Okay, so with all that said and done, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So having said that, I'd like to sign out. Thank you so much.